LawCareersNetLIVE, it's a really comprehensive day for a student, so the mix of the networking and the amazing talks and panels that they get is a brilliant experience for students.
The real estate workshop with Shoesmiths and the banking workshop with DWF.
I had an interesting workshop because I've never really focused on trusts or private client, and then I also did the negotiation workshop, which was also incredibly surprising to me because I never thought about litigation in that way.
So yeah, just shared ideas, discussed the ideas, and we're pointed in the right direction.
So I would recommend the LawCareersNet event because it's a brilliant opportunity to come and meet firms in person and really ask the questions that you might not get an opportunity to over email or through their online applications.
The thing that does make a lot of law firms different are the people that work there, so it's nice to be able to speak to people and also get to know what they do in their law firms beyond what it says on the website.
So what I enjoyed most about LawCareersNet is the fact that I've been able to fulfil the goals that I came with. I had certain questions I wanted to be answered, and within the first half an hour I was almost half the way through, having achieved and understood further than I could have possibly imagined.